I'm here with my friend Rudy from Yahoo and Friends.
Oh, how nice. You always made lots of new friends from this Yahoo and Friends dimensions.
I got a new channel, Who Tunes Chat 133.
Oh, how nice. You got a lot of stuff there.
Okay, I'll watch some Tweety Pie. See you soon.
See you, Dana. Wow, I didn't know she's a big fan of Yahoo and Friends.
I'm back.
Hey, Jack. What did you get?
Just got some stuff from the stores.
That's cool. Jack, what's this?
That's mayonnaise for our sandwiches.
Oh, okay.
Hey you two, what's good?
Just got back from the stores as I brought some stuff for our sandwiches. What the?
What's the matter, Jack?
Look at the date. It's running out tomorrow. We better have some today and tomorrow.
That should take no problem, Jack.
I will help you with the sandwiches, Jack.
Thanks, Emily.
Top Cat, I'm bored after being in the park playing all those swings.
Yeah, I'm exhausted after that. I'm feeling hungry.
Well, I wonder if there's anything at the clubhouse. I'm sure there's some food in here.
Good idea.
Hello?
Hey, Tanya. I'm just making sandwiches for our lunch.
Wow, that's great! Jack, have you decided what to put on those sandwiches?
Dion and Emily are helping me, so I'll let you know.
Okay, see ya, Jack.
Bye, Tanya.
Who was it?
It's Jack on the phone. He, Emily, and Tion are making sandwiches for lunch.
Awesome. I love a good sandwich.
Same. Let's just head back to the clubhouse, shall we?
Yes, I am.
Alright.
Guys,
What?
What is it, Jack?
I think we will use the mayonnaise for the sandwiches as it's gonna run out soon.
Ah, got it.
It's a bit of dust. It's a bit dusty on that jar.
Issue.
Gesundheit.
Whoa, that's a big sneeze there, Emily. Emily? Emily? Where are you?
I'm behind you, Jack.
You. Oh, that scared the living taillights out of me.
Sorry, Jack, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Guys, look what's happening to the mayonnaise.
Oh,
It's gonna explode any minute.
We have to hide so we don't get covered in mayonnaise. We're back.
We're back!
Look out!
Huh? What's going on?
Hey, what's going on in the kitchen?
What?
Hey, Top Cat, you don't want to go in?
What the devil?
Jack Howell, what on earth is this?
That mayonnaise jar just exploded as it's got that end of date on here there, Tanya.
Oh, I see. But look at my glass, it's all covered in mayonnaise.
We'll have that cleaned up in no time.
Thanks, Dion.
Now, that's what I call a good cleaning crew.
Jack, I think it's best to clean the kitchen up, I guess.
Yes, at least we're not big cook, little cook. Sorry if your glasses got covered in mayonnaise, Tanya.
That's okay, Jack. At least no one was hurt.
Yeah, but still, it was hard work.
Jack, you forgot something.
What?
I can tell you something very, very good to show you.
I don't know what we were doing for lunch, Emily.
Pizza.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about pizza. We'll have it for lunch today.
Spot on, Jack. Can't wait for pizza. As a matter of fact.
Same here. Well, come on everybody. Time for some pizza.
Yay!
Two sticks up the land and over the sea. She has whoopee cushions on her arms and feet. Her name is Whoopee Cushioner, and all of the time she makes a furt. Oh, come on!
Spinning around the globe.
Buddy, it doesn't look like a globe.
It's time for a Street Kids News Flash.
Welcome aboard to the very first installment of this brand new segment I call the Street Kids News Flash. Kind of like Chuck E. Cheese news, but it's pretty different. Anyways, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Kirsten Seetheller, and we've got some hard-hitting news today. Oh, ow! Ow! Stop it! Stop it, please! Man, even Chucky wouldn't like that part. Ugh. Okay, now, where was I?
You're about to introduce the commentator.
Oh yeah! In order to present as many viewpoints as possible, we sometimes invite speakers of special importance for our program to share their opinions. So, without further ado, here's today's commentator. Okay, just what was that supposed to be?
Okay, Kirsten, you got me. It was supposed to be a commentator. Get it? Commentator?
A commentator?
Yeah, it's funny. Comedy gold.
Oh, I get it. Well, look, Tion, if you're gonna laugh, at least try not to shake the camera, okay?
Okay. Oh, that's a good laugh. Potato spud out of place. Yeah! I'm okay. I'll just walk it off.
But now, let's move on to the world sports with news reporter Jumbo from Helen's Clues. Take it away, Jumbo.
Thank you, Kirsten. Tonight, I'm at the Lookouts baseball field, where I have seen the baseball game of my entire life.
That's fantastic. Do you have an interview for us?
I sure do, Kirsten. Now, I wasn't going to be able to give an interview with the winning coach or any of the players. And here's what I got from a spectator.
A spectator. Get it? Specs? Tater?
Spec?
Oh,
Tater? Spectator?
That's my joke.
Myself sometimes. Let me tell you.
You are one funny hound. Let me tell you.
You have got to be kidding me.
Spec? Tater? Yeah, very funny. Okay, let's try our entertainment reporter from the lovely and talented Miss Helen Henney.
Thanks, Kirsten.
On the local dance scene, what's old is new again because kids are dancing the mashed potato.
Oh my gosh, again with this potato jokes? Dang, that's getting ridiculous. But it's funny.
Okay, we've all had our little joke. Now can we just drop all the potatoes, please?
Okay. Somebody drop the potatoes. Okay, you asked for it. Whoa, that's a lot of potatoes.
Well, next time I'll ask in all the storage. So, this is Kirsten Seetheller saying, if something extraordinary is happening somewhere, then it's news to me. We'll see you next time for another news report. Potato jokes. That's actually pretty classic.
No doubt about it. I gotta go. Close the door, will ya?
Hey, mind the door.
Don't forget to close the door.
I'm going home. Close the door.
Remember the door, please.
Be sure to close the door on the way out.
Gotta go now. Make sure the door is closed all the way.
Hey, can you close the door for me? Thanks.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. Be sure to close this door. It needs to be closed.
Damn! Close the door! Did you close all the way?
Yeah.
Snap! Snap!